In front of me is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this Realme. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on special features. Finally, scroll all the way down, click on simple mode and tap on enter simple mode. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, easy mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, tap on settings, choose exit simple mode and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!